your coach first win of the season against last year's third place runners up, third place team. How you assess your performance today compared with the first outing last week?
But I think this week was a good performance. As I say, I think we just give away 2 goals that wasn't necessary, but I think we're getting it together now, though. And going forward, we can only get better.
Goal scoring has been a problem for your team since the start of the season. You have missed your top scorer in Calvin. Um, how you looking to rectify that, despite the fact that you got three today?
Well, I can't say despite that fact. We got 3 today that show that we're getting better. So goals will come in going forward. We are working on it, and so today is a good look to see that the work that we have been putting in is coming to fruition. So it's a good look today.
Giving up 2 goals, Cavaliers normally a very tight defensive unit. Um, what you think caused all of that?
Just indiscipline, and I really believe that is something that we have to fix. But it was a really poor performance at the back today, but we'll get better as we go along.
Coach, in the final stage of the game, last 15, 20 minutes, Arnett Gardens seemed to take over. What changed? Was it nerve or tired legs?
No, as you can see, a couple of changes were made, and it didn't work out as best as how we had planned it. But again, it's just things that we have to work on to get the team better, gelling to better, getting to play more together in terms of the midfield. It's a different midfield as I said today. So you're going to find a little gap here and there. So Arnett Gardens is one of those hard running teams, so it's going to expose some of the things. So for us, looking at it now, we're just going to fix it going forward.
New player, new signing coming on to the pitch here. Big impact, 2 assists. What's your thought on this performance?
Well, we just hope that he continue with it going forward. Very good performance by the youngster, though. Very good.
Looking ahead to your next encounter, what plans, what change, what you're looking ahead to?
We'll just talk about a couple of changes that we have to fix the midfield, fix the back line because we have to do some work around there. So those are some of the things we have to fix. We just need to continue with the finishing process that we are doing in terms of scoring goals. So next week should be an interesting game.
Final question, Coach. This season, Cavalier, we have seen Cavalier field quite a big bench compared to the last 2 seasons. What has changed so far? What has changed?
Not that we are bringing in some of our youngsters earlier to blood them from early. So most of the players that is the addition, they are youngsters. Just giving them the experience. That's just it.